In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Odoo website. This is a quick customization, but it can make a big difference for your visitors. Adding a search option to your website header makes it much easier for people to find products, pages, blog posts, or other content without having to browse through menus manually. If you want to improve navigation and make your site feel more user-friendly, this is a great feature to enable. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click the website app. This will take you directly to your website management area, where you can edit the layout and appearance of your site. Once you are on the website page, look to the top right corner and click Edit. This opens the website builder so you can make design changes directly on the page. When editing is enabled, you'll be able to select different sections of your site and adjust their settings from the panel on the right. Next, click on the header section of your website. Make sure the header itself is selected because the option we need is part of the header settings. After selecting it, go to the Style tab in the panel on the right-hand side. This section controls the appearance and behavior of the header elements. Inside the Style tab, find the section called Show or Hide Elements. This area lets you decide which items appear in your header, such as icons and other useful tools. Take a moment to scroll if needed because the available options can vary slightly depending on your website theme or header layout. In that section, you will see a search icon element. Click it to enable it. As soon as you do that, a search button will appear in your website header. This means the feature is now active in the design. To check that everything is working correctly, switch to preview mode and click the search icon in the header. When you do, a search bar will appear on your site. This allows visitors to type in what they're looking for and quickly find relevant content. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, adding a search bar in Odoo is simple and only takes a moment. After confirming it looks right in preview mode, you can save your changes and keep the new search option available for your visitors. This is a small update, but it can greatly improve the overall browsing experience on your website.